Hi, my name is Katy DeBra. I'm an energizer, artist, and intuitive, and I create harmony inside and out. I help you feel energized, lively, radiant, clear, confident, and I do that with a variety of methods using artwork and energy healing and intuitive work. I've been a professional artist in a variety of mediums for over 25 years, and I've been an intuitive and energy healer for over 10 years. I have a very sparkly, lively energy. I help people feel better, and I combine a variety of methods, which makes me unique. I provide personalized combinations of body art, which can help embody an intention, as well as just be fun and feel good. I can also do an intuitive reading. I can also do Reiki Energy healing, and I can combine those together. I can do intuitive body art. I usually have an intuitive reading during the Reiki session, so they all combine together. If you're looking to feel energized and feel better and feel clear and confident and have some practical action steps to take, then come see me for a customized, energized session, and we'll personalize the services I offer to fit your needs.